आजकल साइबर बुलिंग, internet predators, we don't know who's on the other side of the screen. As parents, how can we protect our children? Steve Jobs, he actually said that I don't allow iPads at home for my own children because these tech companies who are taking advantage of our vulnerable young minds by making a so-called beneficial app. Hello and welcome to Academia Unplugged. I am Prachi K. Dashora. और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आप लोगों ने मेरे इस सफ़र में मेरा साथ दिया जिसमें आई एम गोइंग टू ट्वेल्व ऑन टॉपिक्स ऑफ एजुकेशन पेरेंटिंग एंड द वर्ल्ड ऑफ लर्निंग टुडे आई एम जॉइंड विद अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट राहेला who is a mom, content creator, and has been strongly advocating of the ups and downs of parenting in the digital world. The topic that we would be talking about today is the good, the bad, and the balance of Gen Alpha and technology. Welcome, Rahela.
Hello.
Thank you so much for coming.
Hi,
My audience is looking forward to hear all about you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, Prachi. I'm really glad that you gave me this opportunity today to be here with you. And I am Rahila Tayyebi, as you said, and I am a mom of two boys. My boys are 8 and 5. And I talk about respectful parenting. I am a big advocate of setting right boundaries for kids, especially for screen time. I know that's the topic for today.
Right,
And
yes.
I'm really happy that we are discussing this today.
So Rahila, let's start. My first question बहुत ही सिंपल है जो हम एवरीडे लाइफ में डील करते हैं. हम लोग जेन जी जेन अल्फा चिल्ड्रन से डील कर रहे हैं. Do you think parents have made it an excuse of screen time because they don't want to do the hard work of parent?
See, parenting will always be hard work. It is never going to be easy. It's always going to be the decisions that you take for your child. And you will have to take hard decisions also.
Yes.
You know, your children need to understand that it's not always going to be a yes for every single thing. Like people confuse between gentle parenting and permissive parenting. You know, they feel that if I'll say no to my child will cry. How will I just manage the child?
Ah.
So giving screen time has become a ease in those cases. Like you just give the child, a child is crying for a tantrum, you will not want to validate. You will just want to give the child screen and just shut the child up. Ki, okay, it's okay, bacha. You don't need to cry for it. So when we are not able to take hard challenges like these, we make it easier. There are parents who really need to use screen sometimes. I understand that, but it has to be sometimes. Not a every day or a every time situation should be that.
I mean, it's a very good thought that as parents, हमें एक step back लेना पड़ेगा from screen time to actually make our children understand that screen is not everything.
Definitely. See, if I am watching my screen and I'm telling my child, don't watch screen, doesn't work like that.
Of course.
My child will be like, but you are watching screen, mama. And I'm like, yeah, but I have to work or I have to do something. You have to put your phone down. You have to connect with the child for them to understand that that is not important. This is important.
It's such a real life paradox ना कि हम we don't want to give up on our screen time and we expect the child and while actually you know researching about this topic I came across an interview जहाँ पे Steve Jobs who's हम सबके सबसे बड़े tech guru हैं when he was interviewed by New York Times he actually said that I don't allow iPads at home for my own children because I don't think it's good for them and it's rather harmful for them.
Yeah, so iPads, iPhones, all these are not developed for kids.
हाँ.
They were developed for adult minds. But just because of the convenience, kids took over. Like most iPads these days are bought by parents who want to give it to their child. Ki mobile is a little screen,
Small
let me get
yes.
a bigger screen. But then the child has full access to that iPad. They are doing anything, everything on that iPad. Parents are usually not even aware what is happening. So, you know, you have to give technology with a boundary. You have to give it responsibly to your child. And believing that your child is responsible is wrong. You are responsible for the gadget that you have given to your child.
पर मैं एक चीज और पूछना चाहूंगी, डोंट यू थिंक दीज टेक कंपनीज हु आर टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ आवर वनरेबल यंग माइंड्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन by making the so called beneficial apps, are they not responsible or answerable to children, to parents, and to the society?
I don't think so they are. Because wherever there is a demand for something, there will always be a supply for it. If somebody is making money out of it, it is because people are demanding more videos. People are spending so much time watching the same videos again and again. And if you look at YouTube also, a single kind of video will have multiple similar kind of videos,
Right.
and
Right.
all will have like millions of views, because the child is so addicted to one form of, like, I remember seeing something like a little finger, baby finger kind of videos, and then there are other TV, means there are like rhymes which have the same vocals but different, just visuals are a little different in those. So, you know, it's just that people, technology, these tech people are just making money out of it by gaining more views.
Yes.
But the same thing is not for the apps. You know,
Ah.
apps are also good and bad. So as parents, you need to decide what your child is able to download. Like iPhones and iPads, they have a limit, like who will download the app. An adult's fingerprint or a code will also stop your child from not downloading unnecessary apps.
Ah.
So you can take these steps to prevent these things happening to your child.
Parental control
Is definitely
is
needed.
very important.
Yes, it is definitely needed. You cannot just let go. You know, there was a case of Roblox also that we saw in Indore itself. A girl
हाँ.
committed suicide when she was given a task. There were, you know, there are chats happening on that app. And you don't know if the chat is with an older person of your age or a younger person. There are no limits to these things.
हाँ. We had a very, I think 2-3 years back, PUBG के साथ भी
Yes.
एक ऐसा ही केस हुआ
Yes,
था.
it
Yes.
was just one case that got highlighted, honestly.
हाँ.
There were a lot of cases happening in that time because of this app. And you know, all these violent apps and all these, they give a good kick.
Yeah,
You
the
know,
adrenaline rush is there.
Adrenaline rush आता ही है. It is
हाँ.
obviously, it will happen for us also when we watch such a movie. We get एकदम से pumped up. But for kids, it's even more, because their brains are not developed right now. You know, their logical brain is not there. They don't understand that what I am seeing is not reality.
Right.
They feel this is real for me. What is happening there is real. Also, a pressure from peers. Like all your friends are playing on Roblox, you will also want to have that app on your phone. So my child has come and told me one time, Mama, my friends play this XYZ game, and I was like, let me just check it out, bacha, and what's good about it and what's not, and then we can discuss that if you can watch it or not sometime. I saw the app, I was like, I wanted to ask him, can you give me these parents' numbers so I can call them and tell them, please don't give your child this app.
Right.
But see, we are no one to tell somebody
Absolutely.
anything. So I just told my child, bacha, this is not something that I can allow you. So having family beliefs and values here is very, very important. The tech companies will keep on making such apps, such things will keep on coming. We cannot protect our children, but we can just educate them to be making better choices. That's our role as a parent. See, an adult, there are adults also who I also know personally who enjoy these kind of games.
Yes.
And it is fun also for them. Like we used to play Counter-Strike and all these in college also. A lot of my friends, a lot of them have careers in these fields
Yes.
also.
Yes.
So it is not all bad, but done on the right time.
In fact, my next question was about family values only. Social media platform जैसे कि Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I think all of these platforms are making our children narcissists, and the teenagers or the preteens have assumed that having curated life or digital approval is the way of life. They are actually hooked on to digital pacifiers.
It is because of so many filters. You know, you always think that you look like a certain way, and when you present people to people in a certain way, you know, I've seen that as an influencer myself. Like when sometimes people just see me in a messy bun or just going out, they're like, oh, this is you. I'm like, yeah, this is how I am usually.
Yeah.
But on our pages, we usually come out a little more professional or properly combed and like nicely makeup and everything. So people think that's our real life, but it's not. What you see of others also on Instagram is just a 15-second story of their life, not the 24 hours of their life.
हाँ.
And you don't know how many pictures they have clicked for that one single good shot.
Right.
Even
Yes.
when we put pictures of ourselves on internet, we always make sure that it's the best picture, that we are looking okay, everybody is smiling, and then only we put that picture.
Ah.
But sometimes that hustle for that picture is too much.
Ah.
You know, like just making everybody stand in one place and doing that picture, we know, but still we all want those curated pictures.
Ah.
And our kids also watch that every day. That I was on a trek with some teenagers a few days back. Not even teenagers, they were 11, 12, and I had taken my son for that trek. Girls were clicking pictures, were like, वो वाला filter लगाना, उसमें मैं बहुत पतली लगती हूँ. I was like, she's only 11 years old and she is worried that how will I look in a filter, you know?
आई थिंक वैसे भी बॉडी शेमिंग कह लीजिए या यू नो टॉक्स ऑफ एवरीडे कॉन्वर्जेशन इज अबाउट हाउ यू फिजिकली अपीयर
Definitely
in the
is.
world, and people are not really bothered about what knowledge you have or how informative are you about a certain topic. And which is also my next question कि आजकल cyber bullying, internet predators, we don't know who's on the other side of the screen, ये भी बहुत common चीजें हो गई है. So as parents, how can we protect our children from these online safety issues?
See, like I have almost a following of almost 200K people. I
Okay,
get
wow.
a lot of comments which don't align with my values. And people can be mean. They will not say the same thing on my face, but they will say it on the internet. Like
The
because
trolling.
yeah, the trolling. Like you will not say on my any picture. Like if you know me personally, you will not say that you're looking fat. But on internet, you will just go and tell somebody that you're looking fat. What is this kind of dressing? We don't have any filters when we are talking in those terms because we don't know the person. We quickly judge them by just watching a 15-second reel or reading a 15-second story about them. Like we saw a case in Ujjain, if you remember, Prachi, a few months back, I think a
Haan.
boy committed
Yes.
suicide because he had just posted a dancing video of himself, and people commented so much that he committed suicide because of it. People
is
who
very
don't
alarming.
know, it is. Like, see, our kids will make different choices. They can make different choices from
Absolutely.
others.
Yes.
And it will only happen with communication, Prachi, here. That we have to communicate a lot with our children. What they're feeling about their bodies, how, means taking all these sexual topics also with our children, coming up again and again about body boundaries, online boundaries, what you're supposed to share online, what you're not supposed to share online. Like also how you're supposed to talk to other people. Do you like to be talked like that?
Ah.
You know, so having all these kind of communication, and it's not about only teenagers. When you start at teenage, it is difficult. You start very early at 3, 4. You start these kind of conversations with your kids.
Really?
Yes,
Wow.
yes, you can. Like how you're talking to others. Like it should be respectful, right? Like if in your daily language only you are respectful to others, you will always be like that with everyone.
आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है कि हमें हमारे बच्चों से बहुत अर्ली एज ऑन ये सब बातें करनी चाहिए, नॉट वेट फॉर द टाइम टू कम व्हेन दे आर एक्सपोज टू इट
Exactly.
विदाउट आवर कंट्रोल्स.
And it also depends on how you talk to people.
Ah.
You know, you have to change that also. Like, are you meeting as friends and always bitching about others or talking negative about others? Or whenever are you looking in the mirror and saying, oh, I'm so fat, I don't look nice at all? Are you doing that? Are your kids watching you do that every day? You know, so kids will always learn from what we are doing.
तो बेसिकली हम सबसे बड़े गुरु हैं हमारे बच्चों के लिए.
Yeah, we are
We are the role models for them.
we are the mirror basically. They'll
Ah.
just model whatever we are doing.
Right.
Like we were discussing before this started that I work out a lot, and my kids, they like to work out now because of it. They're just 5 and 8, but they will come and tell me everything. Ki, Mama, we did so many crunches, we did this, we did
Oh,
that,
wow.
and like they know the names and
Ah.
everything now. So like, and they watch my husband also doing it every day. So they will want to work out with my husband. So whatever we are modeling to them, they will follow.
Ah.
There are parents who go on treks a lot. Kids start trekking earlier. Yesterday only it was in news that the Indian girl, I think around 9 years old, she climbed a
Yes.
very high mountain.
Ah.
I'm not sure of the name. but
Kilimanjaro, I think.
Kilimanjaro.
Yes.
She
Yes.
did that yesterday.
Ah.
So you know and it is not like a 9-year-old will wake up one day and say, I want to do
Ah.
that. Parents must be taking her
Of
for a
course.
very long time for trekking and
Yeah.
all these things. So the child was comfortable doing that.
Hmm.
You know, so I think that we are the best models. Like if you are on your phone and asking your child, don't watch the phone. If you are doing a similar
Ah.
thing, then don't set those double
Yes.
standards.
Yes. I think आजकल की generation में it's become very important to do a digital detox. It's a very
Definitely.
funny term to use, because what is a digital detox? I mean, as children and as parent, how important it is to go on a digital detox.
It is very important. You know, it is more important for parents to portray that to their children again, that we can live without our phones. Otherwise, we are showing them, like, if you're just going out of the house for 5 minutes, you're always carrying your phone with you.
हाँ.
It is not needed most of the times, but still we have become it has become a habit that 5 minute bus stop तक जाने के लिए भी I will take my phone and go with me कि कभी किसी का कुछ message ना आ जाए.
हाँ.
So you know, I personally have because my life is on Instagram most of the times. There are calls coming in, there are some messages, mails to be replied all the time. I keep my phone in other room and sit with my kids in other room. Like I put it on silent, I put it on do not disturb more, and
Ah.
just like I know that this task can wait for some time. If somebody wants to call me, I have a landline also. I am at home, they know that. If it is something very important, they will call on my landline.
Right, right.
Or my mother-in-law is in the house, they will call her. So, you know, we all have alternatives in these ways, but we have to find it ourselves.
Right.
That we are taking breaks from digital media a lot, you know. Like there are so many apps also these days which
Oh.
just cut down your screen time. So Instagram itself has limits on it. Like you can set a 1 hour limit of the day, and or 10 minutes limit per watching. So after 10 minutes, it gives you a pop-up that you have been watching your screen for 10 minutes. Can you switch it off now?
Oh wow,
Yeah.
this is a brilliant takeaway. I don't think a lot of the audience would actually know that Instagram has
Yes,
screen time
Instagram.
limits.
Yes, it has. So you can set a daily limit and a per watching limit. And it is true for, you know, most of the apps.
Wow.
Even on when we watch Netflix for kids watching TV or something like that, you can always set a timer and give them. Like when I give my kids TV or phone, like now they are able to understand the clock. So I will tell them that we will switch it off at 3:20, and we make sure to switch it off at 3:20. When they were younger, I used to set a timer. Ki, "Bacha, I'm setting a timer for 20 minutes. When this timer will ring, you will have to close it down." And they used to do it. You know, because we used to follow that very strictly all the time. Like I used to go at 20 minutes, go and switch it off. So they know, and like we are the only ones who can teach them how to make these limits.
आजकल जेन अल्फा, जेन जी, ये टर्म्स तो हमने बहुत सुन लिए. The new trending term is Gen AI. You know how artificial intelligence has surpassed technology, gadgets, सबको पीछे छोड़ करके now it's all about artificial intelligence. Chat GPT, Gemini, सब everyday conversations बन चुके हैं. How helpful is it and how harmful is it?
Like I said about the tech companies also, it is the same thing. A product will be there. It is on us how we use it. Like when Google was first launched, people were like, we cannot use this, we cannot search on it, we have to use books for it. You know, but how easy it is to search everything on Google right now. Anything you want to search, you want to learn, you can do it through Google. But there are negatives also. You can also search porn websites on Google. You can also search bad content on Google.
Yes.
It depends on what you are consuming and how you're using it. So it is, see, our kids are born with phones. Like they are
Yes,
born in this technology
absolutely.
world. As parents, our role is to just tell them how to navigate through it safely. Like what is safe for you, what is not safe for you. Most of our parents were not able to do that because they didn't have that access to technology themselves. Like my mother doesn't know how to use Facebook, Instagram, or whatever new apps are coming. But I know how to do that. I can teach my kids better.
हाँ.
So, as parents, we have to be a guideline for our kids over here that, okay, bacha, this is something that is not allowed. This is something I'm okay with.
हाँ.
And we all will have different beliefs, values, and these things.
Right.
Like something that works for me might not work for you.
हाँ.
So it depends on that. Like, I don't think it is a technology that is to be in blame, like why create something like ChatGPT. It is always going to be there. Brilliant minds are working behind it. Like they're super brilliant who have developed that. And it is a convenience also.
It is.
It is.
Absolutely.
Like I want to make a trip to some place, I can just write to ChatGPT and he will make the entire trip for me. Google was not able to do that for me. So it is saving time in some things, but we have to use it with our own discretion that how we are doing that.
Right. एक बहुत बड़ा आपने point बोला था that our children are born with technology gadgets, but they are also much more vulnerable to mental health issues, anxiety, stress, depression. Again, all of these terms, our children are well aware कि ये सब भी हो रहा है. And the social media platforms are making it worse, I believe, for mental health issues. What is your take on that?
Definitely, definitely. See, earlier we used to compare ourselves, like our parents used to compare it with the first ranker जो होती थी शर्मा जी की बेटी. They used to say कि ना शर्मा जी की बेटी देखो कितना अच्छा करे. Now we ourselves are comparing ourselves to the thousands of people we see on internet.
हाँ.
We feel how better is their life than me, like how they are doing it. Like saying it is easier that the likes don't matter, comments don't matter. It affects me also as a person. I am an adult with a fully developed brain. Obviously it will affect a child. When these things happen with him, somebody says a negative comment to me as an adult, it takes time for me also to, okay,
Register.
somebody said that it was not nice, but still a child hearing that again and again will not be able to understand, even though they are aware of these things. But usko karna is very difficult.
हाँ.
That thing is very difficult to do, and especially with underdeveloped brains.
हाँ. I think it has been a pressing issue with parents, with society, with educators, with schools that the exposure the children are getting with social media is sometimes not necessary, yet you can't control it. And we as a society needs to come together to help the next generation.
We need to, because one thing is, आजकल सबसे बड़ा FOMO. That the term is FOMO basically for it. Like everybody's like, what if my child doesn't get screen on time and other kids will bully him because he is not on social media? Like all 11-year-olds, 10-year-olds are on Instagram these days. I've never understood the need for it.
Yes.
But a child can feel, ki, why do I not have access to this? Do I have the worst parents in the world? And nobody wants to be the worst parent.
Absolutely.
We all
Yes.
want to be in very good books with our kids, and we don't be in their good books, I'm sorry to say, by just spending time with them, but giving things. We want to come in their good books by these things, like get them a new phone, get them expensive shoes, get them apps access, and all these things which are not needed. Basically, that doesn't define your parenting. Your child will not remember कि आपने कितना महंगा जूता खरीदा था. He will remember आप कितनी देर उसके साथ बैठे थे खेलने के लिए. Always. So, that is more important, that balance is needed. Like parents only can do this.
Yes.
You have to take out time for your children every day. Like it's not too much also. Sometimes people feel that most women are also working, husbands are working. So we don't have time for our kids. I understand. But just taking out 10 minutes every day. Just 10 minutes. I do a connection challenge also, like, where we give tasks every day for parents where they are able to connect with their child in those tasks.
Wow.
So they're like very simple. They're not activities, they're like habits that
हाँ.
we want you to develop with your child.
हाँ.
When they develop that habit, and like we do it for 21 days, so every day we give one task, and when they're able to see the change, now they understand that it just needs 5 to 10 minutes every day that you have to spend with your child,
Wow.
not like hours of time. Like somebody
हाँ.
saying a housewife is able to do more than a working mom is not right.
That's
You
true.
know, because homemakers, they, even though they spend a lot of time with their children, but mostly they are busy with their chores. Something is always going on behind their mind. But when you are spending 5 to 10 minutes dedicated with your child, you see tremendous, tremendous change in your child and yourself also.
So I think in my school we have always faced this, and I keep telling parents also that if a child can spend 5.5 hours in school without screen, तो screen की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
True.
The child can spend another 12 hours without screen if you are actively involved with the child. Not every time.
Yeah.
They can have independent play, they can have open-ended games, they can have structured play. But आपको उसमें involve होना जरूरी
Yeah, you
रहेगा.
have to plan better for it.
Exactly.
Basically, you have to plan better. Like if you're not at home, enrolling them for classes. Like we live in a world that there are so many classes going on, art classes, sports classes. Enroll your child for different things. Let them learn different skills through it. Like not the technology. It is always it should always be the last rescue for you.
हाँ.
Not the first thing that you give in when you're not able to spend time with your child.
Right.
Like children have patterns in their brain. In school, children don't ask for phone because they know यहाँ नहीं मिलेगा.
हाँ.
My child doesn't ask me for the phone because he knows he will not get it. My child asks phone to my in-laws or grandparents because they know that they will easily give in. So, you know, kids have those patterns. They will not be same with everyone. They will ask others when you are not giving in.
Right, right. So as a family, I think हम सबको एक ही stand लेना पड़ेगा.
We have to, and you know, we have to say more yes to our kids. Like if my child comes and asks me that, can I watch Dadu's phone? I'm like, yeah, you can, because I know my father-in-law will not say no. So why should I be the villain first of all?
हाँ.
And then I'll say, yeah, you can, but what are you going to watch? So he will be telling me, yeah, Mama, there's a cricket match that happened yesterday. Dadu has saved some clips for me. I want to watch that. Okay, kitna der ka hai beta? And in like 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, you come back to me in 10 minutes. So, you know, you're
Okay.
setting a limit also.
Very
you're
nice way
allowing
to
also.
deal with the
Yes, so you
thing.
don't always have to be the villain. कि नहीं मैं दूंगी ही नहीं. That is never possible. Like when you say कि I will never give phone to my kids.
Well, हाँ.
That's
I
not
think
realistic
you
also.
were also talking about an incident with your own son.
Yes.
And how you kind of helped him.
Yeah, so when my child was around 6.5, the schools had just restarted after COVID. My little one was almost 2 years old, so it was usually his nap time. So when my elder one used to come back from school, I used to give him 1 hour screen time. But I saw that he was becoming even more crankier after screen time, you know, because school ka pura, everything was just baggage for him. And then coming home again, he was all बिखरा हुआ जो होता है बच्चा,
हाँ.
he was like that in that case. And then he used to watch screen and again tantrums. I was like, the screen time is not helping us. So I
हाँ.
dropped his screen time. I was like, we can only watch on weekends, bacha. Weekends
Yes.
we'll watch 4 hours, 2 hours on Saturday, 2 hours on Sunday. But weekdays we cannot watch at all. We will play games. I used to set up activities when he used to be back from school. Every day painting, coloring, play-doh, anything, one new activity I used to keep for him.
Oh,
And I
wow.
used to just repeat it. Like,
Ah.
you know, Monday used to do play-doh, Tuesday we used to do painting. Like that, I had set it for him.
How nice.
When he used to come back from school, Prachi, when I said no to him, he cried for 1.5 months.
1.5 months.
Yes, he just cried. He used to get down from the bus and he used to like, Mama, please give me screen. आज मैं घर जाके बस screen देखूंगा. I was like, but I have already set up activity for you. I know you want to watch screen. I just went on validating him for it.
हाँ.
कि I know what you're feeling is right. क्योंकि आदत है ना देखने की उस time पर.
हाँ.
So it's a very difficult to break these habits. One day you decide I will not give my child screen. You cannot just be like my child. You cannot be like my child will not watch screen at all क्योंकि मैंने मना कर दिया
हाँ.
है. You have to hold those boundaries. Whenever we set boundaries for anything, our children will push it.
Of course, yes.
You know, but we can hold it
हाँ.
firmly and with calmness. I don't need to shout at my child for it. कि नहीं दूंगी मैं screen, मना कर दिया है ना. Like you're not negating your child, saying I know he wanted to watch the screen in that time. It was his happy time after school, and I just took that away from him.
हाँ.
So, you know, when I had the conversation with him, धीरे धीरे it reduced, the tantrum reduced. He understood कि कुछ भी हो जाए नहीं ही मिलेगा. And
It's such a beautiful thought that you said you have to be firm yet calm. I think so much to learn. You're like a role model for our moms here.
No.
A lot of things that our moms need to understand is that it's not going to change overnight. How Rahela said that it almost took her 1.5 months for her son to get over the screen addiction is a wonderful thought. So you will just have to be very patient. You have to be firm yet very calm.
Yeah, and you know, there are times that you already know the pattern. आपको पता है कि आपका बच्चा किस चीज के लिए tantrums कर रहा है.
हाँ.
You know, for screen, how will you react? Like, you prepare yourself. I always tell moms who meet me that you create a SOP in your head. This is my step, this is my step 2, this is my
Very
step 3.
nice.
And that this is how I'm going to react. You stick to the same statements, boring statements every day. And your child will understand कि ठीक है, यही
It's
करना.
conditioning their mind
Yes.
basically.
Yeah, so you have to condition yourself as if this is how I'm going to react. I will not get angry. I will be firm.
हाँ.
When you are prepared, now you react better.
Yes. Yes.
Or better, I should say respond better. You don't react and you respond better.
हमने टेक कंपनीज की बात कर ली, हमने पेरेंटल इन्वॉल्वमेंट की बात कर ली. वन टॉपिक दैट आई वांट टू डेल्व इनटू इज कि हमारी गवर्नमेंट की कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है टू प्रोटेक्ट द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन फ्रॉम ऑल द कॉन्स ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, गैजेट्स, एआई, इंटरनेट.
See, Prachi, they do have a responsibility. But the thing is ki how they are going to do it. First of all, they need proper setups, like they need proper departments for it. There are like cyberbullying departments and everything is coming up now. They're active also. But they need to be more vigilant. Like, people need to complain more on them. Like, if you are getting bullied online, you have to take action. It should not be like कि ठीक है यार हो गया कोई बात नहीं. We as citizens also, we need to take stand over here. So the government, when they get like millions of cases like these, they will work on it. And see, in any society, government will always play a very big role for every single thing.
Absolutely.
But right now, because of the free internet, we are seeing that there are no regulations. Anybody can watch anything. Porn websites, even like these shorts are the mini porn. You know, like they don't have any conditions for what kind of content we are going to consume or our kids are going to consume. Usually what happens on YouTube is you have an account, an adult account. Your child uses your account. YouTube cannot know that this is a child using the phone. You know?
But YouTube also has YT Kids.
It has, but
Google has Google Safe Search.
it has. It is effective also.
Yes.
You know, it is effective. YT Kids, I am not a very big fan of that app.
Okay.
Because I've seen that even on that, a lot of, like, you know, when I upload a video on YouTube, it asks me, is it for kids? If I can just say yes to any video, there are no checks on it right now. So these are all the government that has to work on it. But it's such a huge sphere right now. There is so much content, millions of views, you know, and like millions of people creating content that it is very, very difficult to regulate. So as citizens, we have to be more aware of it. Like what kind of content we are consuming. Whatever you are consuming, it will show more to you. So you have to keep a check on what your kids are watching, like you have to take the primary responsibility and not just be dependent on the government, because we know that in India everything takes a lot of time to happen.
Agreed, yes.
And it's not only India, like even US, UK, they are not able to regulate that as of now.
In fact, I feel कि हमारी इंडियन सोसाइटी में because हमारा culture, हमारी संस्कृति, our family values are far ahead than the Western world. The Western world are still facing more problems.
They are.
In terms of the digital era that we are talking about. अभी तक इंडिया में वो चीज़ नहीं आई है, thanks to how our society has been brought up.
Yeah, and we need to continue doing that. You
Absolutely.
know, putting our children, our beliefs and what we really believe in every day. Like suppose XYZ, my friend has phone at 8-year-old. My 8-year-old comes and tells me, Mama, my friend got a phone. Can I also get one? It's on me how I will say no to it.
Ah.
Like other people can have different choices. And like I said earlier also, it all begins when the kids are 3, 4 years old. Like a child bringing chips and biscuit every day to school, and your child coming in saying, Mama, why you never
Ah.
give me chips and biscuits? So you can be like, Beta, that's their parents' choice.
Yes.
This is your parents' choice.
Ah.
When you are from the beginning, you're clear on these that we will always adhere to our family values.
Yes.
Children will always do that.
आई थिंक ये इशू तो हम सब पेरेंट्स ने फेस करा होगा where the peer pressure becomes so much that your kids kind of come and question your choices.
Yes, they will always do
Huh.
that. You know, and kids should question us.
Yes.
Why not?
Absolutely.
They can have their
Yeah, yeah.
views. Like my 8-year-old can have want to have a phone. लेकिन इसका ये मतलब तो नहीं है कि I will get him that
हाँ.
phone. You know,
हाँ.
we have to have our limits on things when we are getting it for our children, especially.
हाँ.
Like they need to know what we truly believe in.
I'm going to ask you a very quick rapid fire question, a little bit of fun.
Okay.
What is your favorite app that you think your child have benefited from?
It's Khan Academy Kids. And there are two apps for it. There is one Khan Academy and there is one Khan Academy Kids. On Khan Academy, they can learn like grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, any grade that they select till 12th, I think they have. Any topic that they want to learn, they can watch videos, they can take quizzes and they can learn through it. On Khan Academy Kids, it's for younger kids, like they can play CVC words, stories, they can read stories, paint, they can do a lot of things. And it's ad free. And there are like it's completely safe. I have tried it a lot of times with them. Yes,
So paid app or unpaid apps?
always paid apps because it is still regulated in some ways. You know, like there are no ads which will just pop up which are not appropriate for my child, or it will not lead them to other apps.
Ah.
You know, like from one app they are getting an ad to another app, they're downloading that app. That doesn't happen on paid apps a lot. So, you know, checking good apps, like it's just an investment of 200 or 250 rupees per month, and I think it's okay to do that.
Yes. What is one thing you didn't know about social media before becoming an influencer?
I didn't know that we have to maintain a work-life balance. Like I was so driven on my Instagram at one point of time that I was spending a lot of time on it. Like कोई भी एक like आ रहा है तो I just wanted to check. कोई comment आ रहा है to reply.
Ah.
Somebody DMing me was more important to me at times than my child. But when I realized कि what is the negative effect of it, like working people have a time limit where
Yes.
they work. So now I have clear boundaries. कि this time my phone will be on a do not disturb. I will not reply to any messages, any mails. They can wait, but my child is just growing up too quickly. I have to be with him in
Yes.
this time.
Ah. What is your favorite offline activity with kids?
It's playing cards. You know, we play a lot of old age games like we used to play as kids, Sati Center, Mungis, and all these games. I have taught all those to my kids, and we are highly competitive. We just fight like for even one card, who is going to win, who is not going to win. So cards is our like.
Best tip for online safety for kids?
You know, there are a lot of apps. There is, like you said, there is Google search. There are better apps that you can opt for. Educate yourself more on it. You know, when you educate yourself, you will be able to do better for your child. Just don't let it go कि बच्चा तो मानता ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
You know, the child is young right now. You are the one who has to set these boundaries.
One parenting challenge you faced with technology?
I think limiting the time of it. Like if I will tell my child that we will switch it off at 20 minutes, my child will obviously want 5 more minutes. हम ही नहीं रुक पाते हैं, you know, when I'm watching one reel, I'm like, I will not watch the next one. But it is so tempting to go and see the next one also.
Yes.
So technology has that kind of effect on our brains that we are not able to stop. So, you know, you have to have realistic expectations here with your child also.
So there's a research on what you said, which is called the mindless scrolling
Yeah.
on social media. And you know how the apps are actually making it so easy to swipe up again and again so that you get a new content.
These
That's
days,
there.
you don't even need to swipe. एक खत्म होता है, automatically goes to the other one.
हाँ.
You know, next
Yes.
episode or something like that. It doesn't even wait these days. It just goes next,
हाँ.
like that.
Great. Thank you so much, Rahila. I think we had so much information and so much enlightenment
Thank you, Prachi.
from you. I'm sure बहुत मॉम्स, बहुत डैड्स ऐसे होंगे जिन्होंने बहुत सारे टेक अवेज लिए होंगे, एंड सच इजी स्टेप्स इन
Yeah,
फैक्ट दैट
and we
यू
all
हैव.
can do it.
Yes.
You know, we all can do it. We just have to be a little more educated on these topics. That's it.
हाँ.
Like right now, we are not able to see ekdam long-term effects. We are not able to see of it. We are just seeing the short-term benefits that we get from screen.
हाँ.
Like 5 minutes, my child is sitting properly.
हाँ.
I am able to have my meal in peace. Small, we are able to see.
Yes.
But when we see at the longer term, then we'll be taking better decisions for our
हाँ.
kids.
I think some of the takeaways that we had were that हमें हमारा टाइम ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा बच्चों को,
Yes.
so that and we don't use screen as an excuse कि we are busy तो तुम थोड़ी देर iPad देख लो.
Yes.
हमें mindfully हमारा टाइम देना पड़ेगा बच्चों को, and we will have to let that generation grow with a very high self-esteem, so that all these so-called curated life or social media life does not become a normal lifestyle for the children.
Definitely. And we all can do it. You know, when
Ah.
we do it together, we all can do it.
Yes. So thank you.